Welcome to Storytime with Teacher Matthew. Today's book is called Animal Babies on Mountains. Grat, grat. Look at my black eye patches. Who is my mommy? Do you guys know? My mommy is a giant panda, and I am her cub. Grrr. I have long, twitchy whiskers. Who is my mommy? Do you know? My mommy's a snow leopard, and I am her cub. Ha, ha, ha. Look at my big brown eyes. Who is my mommy? My mommy is a gorilla, and I'm her baby. My mommy is a macaque, and I'm her baby. Sometimes my mommy carries me around on her back. Do you get carried around by your mom? Animal babies in the rainforest. Roar, roar! My fur is fluffy and spotted. Who is my mommy? You know? My mommy is a jaguar, and I am her cub. Wah, wah! My eyes are round and orange. Who is my mommy? My mommy is a lemur, and I am her baby. Woo, woo! Look at my long red hair. Who's my mommy? My mommy is an orangutan, and I am her baby. My mommy is a tarsier. I'm her baby. We can turn our heads almost all the way around, so I'm never out of sight of my mommy. How does your mommy find you when she can't see you? And animal babies in grasslands. Trumpet! My long nose is called a trunk. Who is my mommy? My mommy is an elephant, and I'm her calf. Roar! I have golden fur and white whiskers. Who is my mommy? My mommy is a lion, and I'm her cub. Munch, munch. I can reach the treetops with my long neck. Who is my mommy? My mommy is a giraffe, and I'm her calf. My mommy is a zebra, and I am her foal. My mommy and I like to eat grass. What do you and your mommy like to eat? On today's worksheet, can you match the babies to their mommies? Thanks.